How to see your Amazon account password. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can see your Amazon account password. Now, there is no option to check your Amazon account password in the Amazon app itself. However, if you have used a web browser to log into your account and if you have saved your password over there, then you are able to see your Amazon account password. So if you have used Google Chrome, then your password is saved in your Google account. So for that, you want to launch open Google. Now you want to tap on this profile icon over here. Then tap on Manage Your Google Account option. You will find different sections over here. Tap on the one that says Security. Now scroll all the way down and here you have the Password Manager option. Tap on Manage Passwords from here. Now, if you have saved your Amazon account password, you will have it over here. Go ahead and tap on this. Now, as you can see, your username and password are over here. You can simply tap on the I button over here to reveal your password, and in this way, you can check out your Amazon account password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.